Charging used to be the weak link for EVs, until Tesla built the supercharger network. It's a global web of fast chargers, placed along highways and at convenient stops. Superchargers add up to 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. Grab a coffee, stretch your legs, and you're ready to go. Tesla's navigation plans your charging stops, making road trips easy. Other brands rely on patchy third-party chargers, but Tesla's network is reliable and seamless. Just plug in. No fuss, no confusion. The supercharger network is a huge reason Tesla owners love their cars. It's fast, convenient, and built for real-world travel. Tesla controls the whole experience. That's how you make electric cars practical for everyone. Tesla's mission goes beyond building cool cars. They want to accelerate the world's shift to sustainable energy. Every Tesla on the road means less pollution and cleaner air. No tailpipe emissions, just quiet, clean driving. Even factoring in electricity generation, EVs are cleaner than gas cars. And the grid is getting greener every year. Tesla's vision includes solar power and energy storage, creating a full clean energy ecosystem. They're not just dabbling in electric, they're all in. You get performance and tech, plus the satisfaction of helping the planet. Tesla proves you don't have to choose between excitement and responsibility. It's a win for drivers and for the future. In 2026, Tesla leads the electric revolution. Traditional automakers watched, then scrambled to catch up as Tesla's sales soared. Tesla's decade-long head start let them solve the hardest problems: batteries, software, motors, and charging. They control everything, making improvements faster than anyone else. Over-the-air updates add features and boost performance while your car sits in the garage. No dealership visits, just instant upgrades. Tesla's relentless innovation keeps them ahead. While others launch their first EVs, Tesla is on their 5th generation. They set the standard. Everyone else is chasing. Tesla created the market for premium electric cars, and they still define it. The future of cars is electric. There's no turning back. Governments are phasing out gas cars, and consumers want cleaner, smarter vehicles. Battery tech is improving. Cheaper, faster charging, longer lasting. Soon, charging will take minutes, not hours. As costs drop, EVs will be affordable for everyone. Cars will get smarter, with advanced driver assist making roads safer. Human error causes most accidents. Technology can help prevent them. The air is getting cleaner as more EVs hit the road. Tesla kicked open the door and proved you can have performance, style, and sustainability. Electric cars are now the most desirable on the road. The road ahead is quiet, clean, and electric. The revolution is here, and it's just getting started. China is the world's EV giant. More electric cars are sold there than anywhere else. The government made EVs a national priority, pouring resources into the industry. Generous subsidies and the world's largest charging network made EVs accessible to millions. New Chinese brands like BYD and NIO are now global players. In crowded cities, getting a license plate for a gas car is tough and expensive, but easy for EVs. This policy shift made electric the practical choice for city dwellers. China is now the global hub for battery production and EV manufacturing. Fierce competition is driving innovation and lowering prices. Even as subsidies phase out, government support continues in other ways. For China, EVs are about environmental progress and economic leadership. The scale of China's electric push is reshaping the global auto industry. The US EV market is heating up. Electric vehicles are no longer a futuristic dream, but a reality rolling onto streets across the country. Tesla started the wave, but now Detroit's big three are all in. General Motors, Ford, and Stellantis are investing billions to electrify their lineups, signaling a new era for American automakers. Iconic vehicles like the Ford F-150 now have electric versions, bringing EVs to the heart of American driving. These familiar models are helping to win over drivers who love power and reliability. These trucks offer unique features, like massive front trunks, onboard generators, and advanced tech that sets them apart from traditional pickups. Imagine powering your house during a blackout, or running tools at a remote job site, all from your truck's battery. Federal tax credits and state incentives make EVs more affordable for families. These savings can add up, making the switch to electric more accessible than ever before. To qualify, vehicles must be built in North America, boosting local jobs and manufacturing. This shift is revitalizing communities and supporting American workers. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, with a national network of fast chargers underway. Soon, finding a place to charge will be as easy as finding a gas station. The goal: a station every 50 miles on major highways, making long trips easy and reducing range anxiety for drivers everywhere. More models, more incentives, and more chargers mean EV adoption is set to accelerate. Drivers now have more choices than ever before. The American road trip is about to get a lot quieter and cleaner. Electric vehicles promise less noise, zero tailpipe emissions, and a smoother ride. The US is on the verge of a major electric shift. From bustling cities to small towns, EVs are becoming part of daily life. The revolution is no longer just about Tesla, it's nationwide. Every region, every community is joining the movement. The future of American driving is electric, and it's arriving faster than anyone imagined. The road to an all-electric future still has bumps, mainly range anxiety and sticker shock. People worry about running out of charge, especially without home charging options. Public charging is improving, but it's not yet as quick or convenient as gas stations. Upfront costs are higher for EVs, mostly due to expensive batteries. Government incentives help, but the price tag can still be a hurdle. However, EVs save money on fuel and maintenance over time. No oil changes, fewer repairs. The total cost of ownership often beats gas cars, but convincing buyers to look past the sticker price is tough. As technology improves and prices drop, these barriers will fade. The transition is happening, but there's still work to do. The future is electric. This shift is only accelerating. Range anxiety and high costs are being solved by rapid innovation. Batteries are getting better, cheaper, and more powerful every year. Solid-state batteries promise even faster charging and longer range. As production scales up, EVs will soon be cheaper than gas cars, even without incentives. Governments are setting deadlines to phase out new gas vehicles, pushing the industry forward. The switch to EVs is about cleaner, healthier communities and a sustainable energy system. Technology, policy, and consumer demand are creating unstoppable momentum. The sound of the future isn't a roaring engine, it's the quiet hum of electric power. The electric revolution is here to stay. Get ready for the ride.